We know that a healthy gut microbiome is essential for our overall health and well-being, playing a role in many vital processes within our body, including influencing the brain. But in this video, we're going to talk about what happens when everything goes wrong, and what the impacts of gut dysfunction or gut dysbiosis are on the brain. Also, at the end of this video, we're going to touch on 3 things you can do today to improve both your gut health and your brain health. Variations and changes in the composition of the gut microbiota can influence not only the gut, but also normal brain functioning. This microbiota gut-brain communication can contribute to diseases outside of the gut, including neuropsychiatric related conditions such as neurodevelopmental and neurodegenerative diseases. Research has shown that the composition of the gut microbiota can influence not only normal brain functioning and behavior, but may contribute to diseases and regulation of anxiety, mood, and cognition. So, what happens when it all goes wrong? What are the impacts of gut dysbiosis on the brain? Research over the last decade has shown a strong association between changes in the composition of the gut microbiome leading to gut dysbiosis and many gastrointestinal and non-gastrointestinal disorders. Actually, many factors have been shown to modulate both the brain and the gut microbiota, such as socioeconomic status, diet, genetics, environmental factors, exercise and level of activity, medications, and mode of delivery at birth. It's not surprising that the gut can have such profound effects on the brain, as research has shown that the brain relies on the gut microbes for many essential products, such as neurotransmitters, which neurons use to talk to each other. So dysfunction of the gut microbiome could have large negative consequences on brain function from both a neurologic and mental health perspective. Actually, there's a lot of accumulating evidence from animal and human clinical studies that have tied in the microbiota gut-brain axis to many diseases within the central nervous system, such as neurodevelopmental disorders like autism spectrum disorder, neuropsychiatric-related conditions such as major depressive and mood disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and Alzheimer's disease. So, what can you do for a healthier gut and brain? First, evaluate your diet. Aim to eat a healthy and diverse diet that includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and a healthy amount of fats and proteins from both animal and/or plant sources. You want to avoid diets that are high in processed foods and sugars and low in fiber. The importance of fiber for a healthy gut and gut-brain axis cannot be overstated. The goal here is to eat a diverse diet leading to a diverse gut microbiome. We know that the diet can alter the gut microbiome in as little as 24 hours, so altering your diet today could lead to a healthier gut and gut-brain axis tomorrow. Second, evaluate your sleep. Sleep quality and duration are associated with large changes in the gut microbiome. Poor sleep is associated with increases in pro-inflammatory bacteria, while increased sleep quality is associated with increases in beneficial microbiota. Third, add in physical activity. The science is clear on the importance of exercise on our overall health, with studies showing influence in brain health, aging, gut health, stress reduction, and so much more. While we all know exercise is important, it's really hard to add in, but you can start small. Take the stairs, walk the long way, and make an effort to stand every hour. Research has shown that aerobic exercise can modulate the gut microbiome, and 20 to 60% of the bacterial diversity in our gut can be influenced by diet and exercise alone. As research around the gut-brain axis increases, the number of psychological, neurological, and other conditions associated with changes in this axis continues to grow. This leads to the question if an unhealthy gut contributes to an unhealthy brain and neurological conditions. Is it possible that targeting the gut microbiota may be a new and exciting therapeutic approach for these complex neurological conditions? More randomized clinical trials are needed to understand the possible role of the gut microbiome in many disease states, and the possible efficacy of microbiota interventions such as probiotics and fecal microbiota transplantation in treating patients. This makes it an important and exciting area to watch. If you want to learn more about the gut-brain axis, you can check out our blog. The link is in the description. Also, if you want to capture your healthy gut microbiome today, you can look into the idea of banking your biome. You can check out our website in the link below and learn more about the importance of gut health, as well as capturing your gut health today for your future health.